Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to embark on an incredible journey, a journey inside the human body to uncover the secrets of the measles virus. I'm Mohammed Mamaris, and if you're as curious as I am, then let's dive right in. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our science-packed adventures. Part 1, The Intruder's Entry. Alright, let's set the stage. Measles is caused by the measles virus, scientifically known as measles morbillivirus. It's highly contagious and primarily spreads through respiratory droplets. Once the virus enters the body, it heads straight for the cells lining the throat and lungs. These cells have special receptors that the virus binds to, allowing it to enter and start its invasion. Part 2, The Sneaky Replication. Once inside, the virus wastes no time. It hijacks the cellular machinery to replicate itself, creating an army of viral clones. As the virus multiplies, symptoms start to emerge: fever, cough, runny nose, and those infamous red, watery eyes. Part 3, The Immune Showdown. Here's where the immune system steps in. It recognizes the virus as a threat and launches a counterattack. Immune cells like T cells and antibodies are sent to battle, trying to neutralize the virus and stop its spread. Part 4, The Telltale Rash. About a week after exposure, the characteristic rash appears, starting from the head and spreading across the body. But wait, there's more. Before the rash, tiny white spots called Koplik spots can show up inside the mouth, a unique sign of measles. Part 5, The Immunological Twist. Now, here's the catch: the virus can suppress the immune system, leaving the body vulnerable to other infections. This is one reason why measles can be especially dangerous, especially for those with weakened immune systems. Part 6, The Complications. Measles doesn't stop at the rash. It can lead to serious complications like pneumonia and even encephalitis, inflammation of the brain. That's why, my friends, preventing measles is crucial. Part 7, The Vaccine Solution. Cue the hero of our story, the measles vaccine. The vaccine stimulates the immune system to produce antibodies without causing the disease. It not only protects you but also contributes to herd immunity. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the world of measles. It's not just a childhood rash, it's a serious illness that can have lasting effects. Getting vaccinated not only safeguards you but also the community around you. Remember to like this video, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. Knowledge is power, and together, we can spread awareness and keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. Thanks for joining me on this amazing journey inside the human body. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy. Catch you in the next video.
This is the Measles Treatment Center in Mulungu Hospital in Katanga. Sick children arrive here every day. They've all got measles, complicated by pneumonia, malaria, or acute malnutrition. Measles has been raging in Katanga since March. Now almost endemic, it is very young children who are particularly at risk. Médecins Sans Frontières teams are currently supporting local health authorities in over 10 of the region's health districts. MSF is also carrying out vaccination campaigns, no small challenge in a region where villages can be very hard to reach. Another major challenge is alerting people to the importance of vaccination.
The majority respond well to what MSF does. There are people who still have traditional beliefs, religious beliefs. On top of not getting their children vaccinated, they also refuse to take them to the treatment centers. But when we reach out to them, it works.
Since June, MSF has treated over 20,000 cases of measles and vaccinated more than 300,000. But human and financial resources are sadly lacking, and more action is required urgently.